What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, I have some bird food and we are going to test this bird food out. The special thing about this bird food is it's hot, so it says basically the squirrels don't like it. So if you have not seen my the bird feeder that I just got from Lowe's, the one that stops the birds from, stop the squirrels from eating most of your food. You know, that was a little bit of a pricey way to get the squirrels away from eating your food. In this situation, you can buy this food and hopefully the squirrels don't like this food and you can still save money with bird food without the bird food being eaten by the squirrels. So we are going to put this out there in the field and we're going to test it out and see if the squirrels don't like it. It even says right here, squirrels taste the heat, birds don't. All right, this is a 3D Pet Products brand. This is from Walmart. I think this was $8 or something like that, $8 to $10. Let's see if the squirrels reject it or not. All right, you guys, so the Sizzle in heat is supposed to keep the squirrels out, right? No squirrels? Look what we have here.
Oh, no.
Y'all see that?
Not a squirrel.
I know. So I guess the squirrels like the spice. And he rolled out.
I think he
All right, you guys, so I guess this is
ate...
not going to work for us. We'll figure something else out.